All right, today we're going to work on two-digit addition. So first I'm going to write out our problem, and then we are going to split it up by ones and by tens. We're not going to do this the entire time, but just while we're starting off. We have our ones, and then we have our tens. We have our ones, and then we have our tens. We are going to practice regrouping. What that means is if this number, our ones, are more than 9, then we're going to have to regroup over on our tens side. So, for example, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? That's right, 7 plus 5 is 12, but we can't just write it like this because this says we have one 10 and two ones. That's our number 12. We can't have that over in our ones because that is more than 9. So since our number is 12, that means we have one 10, two ones. We're going to take our ones and we're going to place them over here. Take our ones and we're going to put them in the ones category. Now we have a 10 left over though. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring them next door. So we're going to put our 1 right up there. There goes our 110. So we know that 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now we're going to jump over to our tens. What is 2 plus 1? What is 2 plus 1? That's right, it's 3, but we have one guest over here. We have one guest. So if we have 3 plus 1 more, what's our answer? Great job. It would be 4, and that means our answer is 42. Nice job. All right, next problem is 38 plus 24. 38 plus 24. And then we are adding, so we're going to have our addition sign. So we know we're going to start with our ones. We never start with our tens. Start with our ones. So we have 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? Perfect. So we know that that's 12. So we're going to put our 2 here and our 110 over here, just like we practiced in our other problem. So we know that this 8 plus 4 equals 12. Let's jump over to our tens. What is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2. That's right. It's 5 plus 1 more. 5 plus 1 more equals 62. Nice job. Our answer is 62. Great work. All right, next problem is 46 plus 37. And we're not going to draw our ones and our tens here, but we know this side is our ones, this side is our tens. So first we're going to start off adding what two numbers? That's right, 6 plus 7. What is 6 plus 7? Great job. It's 13. So if our number is 13, we need to put our ones over here in our ones category. And then our 110, we're going to move them next door. Perfect job. So now we've got our ones finished. What is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3. That's right, it's 7, but if we add one more, 7 plus 1 more equals, that's right, it would be 8. 83. 46 plus 37 equals 83. Nice job. Next problem is 58 plus 26. 58 plus 26. We're going to start off with our ones. Are these our ones here? No, that's right. These are our ones over here. What is 8 plus 6? 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14, so we're going to write our ones, and we're going to carry our 10. Perfect. Now, what is 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2. That's right, it's 7 plus 1 more. That's right, that would be 8 tens. So we have 8 tens, 4 ones, that equals 84. Nice job. Last problem, 69 plus 18. 69 plus 18. Start with our ones. What is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8. And is it more than 9? That's right. It's 17. So we're going to write our ones. Carry the 10. Now, what is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 equals 7 plus 1 more. That's right, that would be 8 tens. 8 tens, 7 1 equals 87. Nice job today.